In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix internet connection problem in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, there's a few different things that we could go ahead and do to improve your internet connection and fix any issues that you might be having. So the first thing we're going to do is go over to our settings, which is going to look something like this. And then once we're in settings, go over to system, which is on the top left, and you're going to see a lot of different options, but go over to troubleshoot right here. Then from here, select other troubleshooters right there. And then once you're there, click run next to the network and internet one. Go ahead and click that and wait for it to run. It's going to say good news, you're connected, if it's obviously working. And for me, it didn't find any problems. But what you can also do is run network tests and everything as well. But the best thing to do now is go over to settings again, and then go over to network and internet, which is going to be the fourth option. Then scroll down and then you're going to see advanced network settings. Go ahead and click on that. Now you're going to see a lot of things, but you're going to see network reset as one of the options. Go ahead and click on that and you're going to set network reset. Go ahead and press reset now and your PC is going to restart in 5 minutes. You're going to need to re-enter your Wi-Fi passwords after. Now, the final thing you can go ahead and do, or if you don't want to do the previous method, is go ahead and press Command and R, and then go ahead and type in CMD, and it's then going to look like this. And then just type in these commands one by one. And after entering them, go ahead and press Enter. So go ahead and do this. And if it says the required operation requires elevation, run as administrator, go ahead and type in CMD in your search bar, then run as administrator right there. And then you can type in those commands. So I can just do this one. And it says you must restart your PC, then type in this one. And then once you've done those 3 commands, all you want to do is go ahead and restart your computer, and then you should be in a better spot. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.